Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we are going to be taking a look at website traffic. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So what exactly is website traffic? Firstly, website traffic refers to the amount of data sent and received by the visitors or your audience. Now, it is a key metric for measuring the success and the effectiveness of a website, so your website. So the more traffic a website receives, the more visitors it has and more opportunities there are for engagement. So this could be revenue pretty much, and of course the more successful your business is, the more recognition your business will get online within the online presence. Now, there are several different ways to measure website traffic, and it includes page views, unique visitors, time on site, your bounce rate, and referral sources. Now, page views refer to the total number of pages viewed on a website. The unique visitors refer to the number of individual visitors to a website, and then you've got time on site, and that will refer to the average amount of time visitors spend on a website. You've got the bounce rate, which refers to the percentage of visitors who leave a website after viewing only one page. And you've got referral sources, which is referring to the channels through which visitors find a website. This could be like search engines, social media, direct traffic, and so on. There's multiple ways they could reach a website. Now, the key to success basically is quite a few things to look at, and you'd be mainly going through the SEO, which is search engine optimization. You've got content marketing, you've got social media marketing, email marketing, paid for advertisement, quite a lot of things to increase website traffic. So we're going to be taking a look into those. Now, as I've stated, these were the ways to gain traffic. Just for a better understanding, we're going to be going through these, and I'll be using a website builder to do so. Now, it's also it can be used as well for anyone who's created a website on WordPress or Visual Code. Of course, once everything is linked together, site's up and running, you've now, well, not up and running, but you're looking into the factors of increasing your SEO. There's a couple of ways to do it. So first, what we want to look at is the search engine optimization. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and use a website builder called Squarespace. Now, of course, it will work the same way for any other ones as well, like Wix, Shopify, or as I've mentioned, if you're using WordPress as well, and you're using a couple of plugins like Elementor to run it, and you've got maybe Visual Code running on the background. This would mainly apply as well for hard coding. So there are plugins that will provide assistance to marketing, but with Squarespace, we'll take a look at this one. So starting off with the SEO, you've actually got a couple of areas that you want to look at, which is more about the pages as well. So as you can see, this will occur for any other website builder, as I mentioned, or pages overall. It's all about naming them. So when I take a look at the actual page settings, you can see that the page title is called About. Now, of course, user will know straight away that this is an About page. It gives an insight on what the company is all about. You've got the navigation title as well, which again is called About. Your URL slug, which is very important to have. And of course, that is their way to navigate into the website, which is the URL slug. Of course, there's a couple of different factors there to involve. Another thing is as well, so as you can see with the page settings, you've got SEO. So you want to go ahead and click on that. And just an overview, an example of what it would look like. You got the About and the actual name of the brand, which is Travel PT. Gives you a sort of URL on how it would look. Now, just to mention, and just to note, that it will be HTTPS domain name, so that's whatever your domain name is, /about, which is the actual page. Now that you've seen that part, what's the next most important part would be is the actual SEO description. So it even says it there. And as you can see, you've got about 400 characters to explain what the page is all about. Of course, I could just demonstrate that this is an about page with a load of information about us and about our team. Explore our site. So you can see there, that's just one example. This is an about page with a load of information about us and about our team. Come check us out and explore our site, PT Travel. So you've stated a keyword, which is PT Travel. You've also named that it's an about page, and you've also stated information. So a couple of keywords. Keywords are very important for picking up for traffic and ranking, of course, as well. So that's how that would look for the page settings. So that's just an example of what SEO looks like. So the next point that we want to look into next is the actual social media marketing. Now, it's pretty much as it says, social media and marketing. So what's that all about? It's another way to basically increase your website traffic by sharing links to your website on social media channels. You can reach a wider audience as well. You can also reach out to the younger audience, depending on what sort of social media you would have, based off TikTok, or it could be Instagram, Facebook, a couple of different ones where you could pretty much put yourself out there for free as well. So if you actually take a look at us, for example, so we'll go ahead and do one here. So just you guys have a fair idea on social media marketing. This is our website, ProfileTree. So you can see a list of different options there from our site. And we've gone ahead and went for Facebook. We've got Instagram, we've got Twitter, we've also got LinkedIn, and we've also got a YouTube channel. So if I do select for a ProfileTree account, you could see for yourselves as well there. That's how it would look. And from our ProfileTree Facebook account, we're obviously, of course, doing a little bit of marketing ourselves and just trying to boost as well as our website, just boost the overall brand name, as you can see, as demonstrated. Now, same also occurs for the actual ProfileTree account, or for the Twitter account, as you can see, a couple of our posts there. And as well as that, you can even see how we are promoting our own, our other social media, which is YouTube. So there are quite a bit of advantages to actually using social media marketing. Not only is it free, but it's another great effective way to increase your website traffic. Of course, the more posts you link about towards your website, especially if you're an e-commerce site as well. This also occurs for just non-e-commerce websites as well. If you're making sure that you're promoting products and sharing them within your social media, then you'll have that boost of traffic. Another one would be content marketing, and more insight to that is if you create valuable and engaging content, such as the use of blog posts, infographics, videos, you're basically unlocking that feature to attracting more visitors to your website, and they'll keep coming back for more. Of course, if they comment on it, that's a little bit of engagement with your audience as well. It can also occur for e-commerce websites. You can always have blog posts. It's a great way to add all those little keywords that you need in order to boost that ranking for your site. And just to demonstrate what I mean on that, you can see with our website for ProfileTree, There's quite a lot of different blog posts ranging from SEO, social media, digital marketing. There's quite a couple of articles that you can flick through and read through, and all those keywords add up. That's a great way, of course, to build more of that traffic back to your site and have the audience keep coming back for more. Now, the next method as well to gain traffic would be to do email marketing. Now, that's actually a great strategy as well. If you have anyone subscribed to a newsletter, you can go ahead and push for promotionals. You can go ahead and push for any updates, any upcoming sales, things like that. That's a great way to attract your audience or visitors back. So just to demonstrate what I'm meaning on that, I'm going to go ahead and select the marketing side of the Squarespace. Now again, it will occur for Wix or any sort of plugins that you use. It will occur for that. Now, as you can see, there's email campaigns. Just going to go ahead and click on that. And I'm able to select a template. There's a couple of different templates I can choose from as well. So I can promote a service, a product. I can announce sales, share updates, follow-ups, content, ask for support, say thanks. Quite a couple of options there. Something to take into consideration as well. So that's another great method in order to boost the actual traffic to your website. Now, last one there would be to do some advertisement. Now, this can range within a couple of different areas where you're able to advertise that product, which will link people to the actual website. So say you are advertising a little bit about yourself, you could be doing this within social media. So social media meaning paid for advertisements. You could be on the advertisements for YouTube. So of course, if you see the likes of bigger brands like Nike or Adidas, those companies of course have paid for ads. Of course, with the big name that they have now, they don't really push out as many ads as they used to. But of course, if you are a smaller brand company or a smaller individual looking to promote themselves, then you would want to do the likes of paid for advertisement. There are other ways as well. So you could do in real life sort of advertisement as well. So depending if you have the budget for billboards to push people to view your website, you could go to the extreme on doing that. Plenty of ways to do that as well. But folks, that is pretty much the end of the video. Of course, there's several ways you can try to push to have successful website traffic. That's just a little bit of information to get you started off. Of course, there are more to cover for it as well. But as well as that, if you did want to maybe track some of your website traffic, you could use the likes of Google Analytics to do so. And from there, you'll pretty much be able to see the amount of viewers that you're getting per page as well. So specifically the pages as well. There's a couple of plugins that you can use, or also known as extensions on Google itself. There's a couple of SEO optimizers on the Chrome extensions as mentioned. But yes, several different ways to actually push the traffic for your website. But yes, if you guys have any questions at all, please do leave them down in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.